guys, it's Taylor here with
Colin
and
Ariana with the dog stuck on my shoe. Okay, then she's gone.
So guys, we have some
surprises.
actually in our last vlog, you know what it is because we showed you. But we're gonna do it again with my cousins.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoop, 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 whoop. So you guys, this is awesome because we haven't seen them. We just got here like 20 minutes ago and we got to see these little guys.
5 minutes ago.
Oh yeah. And it was so awesome and we got to see them. I was like, oh, they're so cute.
You also got to pet them.
Yeah, and they're so cute, but you know, can't hold them until the mom's done feeding them. So she does it. Because if our hand scent is on them, sometimes they just don't want to feed them because they have our scent on them. So let's go show you the baby birds. And this duck trying to go eat them. Probably duck can't get. Duck, move your baby butt. Duck, move. Hey, stop it, Duck. Duck is just too much. So you guys, here are the baby birdies. They're so scared. Don't they look scared, Taylor?
Where's the other?
I don't want him to.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, he's trying to eat me. No, he's trying to eat me. I don't want him to be scared. He's so scared though, Taylor.
His mouth is open for his mama. He's like,
Let me see.
They're so cute.
oh, he
There's
looks
one
so,
of them. Where's the other? Oh, over here.
they look so scared,
Aw.
don't they?
Yeah.
Duck. Stop. I know how to speak bird. They're so cute.
So you guys, that was pretty much it about the birds. But you know, we have another bird here.
Well, here's
pretty
the
much a
story. Here's the story on how we got them. So, that tree right there, that branch right there, their nest was right there, right there,
Right.
and they fell, boink, right there. But they had blankets under them, so, and Mama's gonna come feed them. I don't know where she is, but
Right there.
Mama's gonna come feed them, so better go. Hey, Duck. How you doing, girlfriend?
Guess what? No, I'm not getting any more attention anymore. Like, no fair. The other birds get attention, but not me. No fair, girl. No fair. Not fair here. Later, we're going to be doing a making sure I want to get cooled off. And don't forget, we're going to do the 24-hour later this year, and it's going to be awesome.